Piano geography. What do you notice as you look at the keyboard? There are white keys that stretch from the bottom to the top of the piano and intermittent groups of black keys. Put 2 fingers from your right hand on a group of 2 black notes. Then put 3 fingers on a group of 3 black notes. These 2 black note groupings help organize the piano visually and physically. Can you imagine if all the notes were white? Or if white and black notes simply alternated all the way across the keyboard? How would you know which note is which? As strange as the layout of black and white keys may appear, it's actually an ingenious way of organizing the notes. Remember, up or higher is to the right. Down or lower is to the left. Higher, lower. When you put your 2 hands on the keyboard, your right hand is higher than your left hand. Your left hand is lower. If you need assistance learning the note names, remember D is in the doghouse. Between any two black note group is the white note named D. It's in the doghouse. D. D. All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G are the names of the white notes. And each black note has 2 names, depending on how they're functioning in the music. Each black note has a sharp name and a flat name. For example, the black note above F and below G is called F sharp, or G flat. This note is called F sharp or G flat. Each one of these black notes has 2 names. Intervals. The half step. Smallest distance between the notes on the piano is an interval called a half step. Half steps are mostly moving from a white note to a neighboring black note, or a black note to a white note. But there are 2 half steps on the piano that occur with a pair of white notes. The groupings of 2 and 3 black notes make this possible. Notice where there are no black notes in between the white notes. That's where the white half steps are. B to C and E to F. Whole step. Combine 2 half steps and you get an interval called a whole step. Whole steps are mostly moving from a white note to a neighboring white note, or a black note to a black note. But there are 4 whole steps on the piano that occur with a white to black or black to white note shape. Again, notice where there are no black notes in between the white notes. That's where the white, black, and black, white whole steps are. B to C sharp, B flat to C, E flat to F, and E to F sharp. And last, the octave. An octave is probably the second most important interval next to a half step. You can find an octave just by counting notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Even simpler, however, is to just know that an octave above A is the next A to the right on the piano. An octave above A is the next A to the right. An octave below A is the next A to the left or down. An octave below this A is the next